And now your face is becoming your passport. Your identity is no longer something you carry. The world is already changing, not in the future, but right now. You walk through an airport and no one asks for your passport, no documents, no boarding pass, just your face. Cameras recognize you instantly, faster than any human ever could. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. Your phone is your wallet, your fingerprint unlocks your home, and now your face is becoming your passport. Your identity is no longer something you carry, it's something you are. Airports, banks, and public spaces are starting to rely on biometric systems, face recognition, fingerprints, digital identity, everything connected, everything instant. And while it makes life easier, it also raises a question. Who controls your identity? Where is your data stored? And what happens if that system fails? Because when your face becomes your passport, you can't replace it, you can't reset it, you can't create a new one. We are entering a world where convenience and control exist at the same time, a world where your identity is always being verified and always being watched. Some people see progress, others see risk. But one thing is certain, this is not the future. This is now. Thank you for watching Digital Foresight. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead.